Today we will learn about the future tense in English. We use the future tense to talk about things that have not happened yet, but will happen later, like tomorrow, next week, or next month. We use the simple future to talk about plans we have for the future. For example, I will travel to Malaysia next month. We can also use the simple future tense to talk about predictions or guesses about the future. It will snow tomorrow. We can also use this tense to talk about a decision made right in the moment. For example, I'll buy your coffee. We form this tense using the word will plus a base verb. No matter what the subject is, we always use will plus that base form of the verb. We don't add an S, we don't need to add anything else. It's the same no matter what the subject is. We can also use apostrophe LL as a short form of will when we're speaking or writing. For example, I'll eat meat and rice for lunch. Or, we'll eat in the cafeteria. If I want to say that something will not happen, we can say will not plus the base verb. We will not eat hamburgers tomorrow. I can also shorten that and use the contraction won't. Won't plus the base verb. They won't be there. In question form, we can use will first, then the subject, then the base verb. For example, will they be here on time? Take a look at this dialogue to see this in a conversation.
Hey, will you be at my birthday party tomorrow?
No, I won't. I'll be out of town, but I'll drop a card in the mail for you.
Okay, I will keep my eye out for that. Thanks.
Time to practice. Using the pictures, fill in the blank with a verb using the simple future tense. Maria on stage tonight. Maria will dance on stage tonight. If you see a red X, then use the negative form. Maria will not dance on stage tonight. Or you could put Maria won't dance on stage tonight. Fill in the race next summer. Phil will run in the race next summer. I with you. I will play with you. He dinner for us. Will he cook dinner for us? Sammy, the car tomorrow. Sammy won't drive the car tomorrow. We together at Christmas. Will we eat together at Christmas? It on Friday. It will rain on Friday. She in the competition next summer. She won't swim in the competition next summer. Or you could say, she will not swim in the competition next summer. They in the choir next school year. They will sing in the choir next school year. We abroad in Spain next semester. Will we study abroad in Spain next semester? I to his new album. I will not listen to his new album. Or you could say, I won't listen to his new album. Thanks for watching. Check out my channel to see all my verb tense videos for more grammar practice.